Start recording. Let's go here. Underdog. Block that out. That's there. Let's do that. There we go. Alright, so right here, as you can see in the middle, we have the NBA stat tracker code. It's broken down by points, rebounds, assist, and then same thing here. This basically just asks you for the data for 5 games, the last 5 games. And you got points, rebounds, and assist as well, or again. Basically, right now, I am taking manually the data from these last 5 games. So, right here is asking, please enter the number of points. I'm going to come over here, and it says 6 points. Enter that. 18, 17, 19, and 21. It disappears, and then it says, hey, we need the rebounds now. So, looking back over at the left side, 8, 3, 3, 8. Oh, I pressed 0. I gotta restart. Alright, there we go. 6, 18, 17, 19. 21. Then we go 8, 3, 3, 8, 9. Assist 5, 5, 7, 4, 7. And here we have the averages for those points, rebounds, and assists. And what you do after that is you find the ones you need. So points are here, and they're projecting 17.5. You can see that he's averaging 16, so it's more probable that he will hit a lower than 17 points for that game. The rebounds, 6.2. Here this is 5.5, so you might want to bet the upper. And then for the assist, you have 5.6, and they're looking for 4.5 from him. These numbers are very close, but if you're taking that risk, would you rather know that their projections are above or under what he's actually averaging?